Hello guys, in this video, we will solve the problem of the black screen and the appearance of the black screen on phone calls in a very simple way. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video, and let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, you go to settings, then click on applications, then click on applications again, then click on the three small dots above here, then click on reset settings preferences. What does this mean? We will reset the settings to the default settings, and therefore if there is any problem, it will be solved in this way. This is the first step. The second step, my friend, you go out and return to the phone interface, then click on settings, then click on the settings search engine, then write reset, then click on reset, and here you will find reset network settings. When you click on it, this procedure will restore all the default settings for networks, including wireless networks and the mobile and Bluetooth structures, and therefore if you also have any problem, it will be solved after doing this process. You restart your phone. It is necessary to do this step. It is simple, but it is very important. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked the video. No inquiries. For any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.